Anchorfree is the world's most popular way to get to the internet when you as an internet user want privacy and security. Today we have 300 million people who have downloaded our app and use our product to get to an unfettered internet. But what we're doing, interestingly, for carriers is we're using a product that is part of a VPN. It's what we call a Wi-Fi security product. And let me start with the problem that we're solving first. The problem that we're solving is that Wi-Fi security is poor. Public Wi-Fi security doesn't really exist. And so what we've done is we've taken our consumer VPN and we've created a carrier-grade Wi-Fi security product from it. And how it works is we work with carriers. Today we have one in Latin America and also one in Asia. And these carriers develop an app that is distributed through their normal distribution teams. It's co-branded, so it has your carrier name as powered by Anchorfree. And what it is that we try to do is we try to slow down the hackers that are using public Wi-Fi as a way to steal identities. And as you're probably aware, today about 50% of the cellular traffic is handed off at some point in time from the carrier's licensed spectrum to the unlicensed Wi-Fi, whether that's a hotel room, it's an airport, or the like. We're at a conference today and there's 15 or so of these Wi-Fi pods that are on the ceiling. And yet, a hacker can simply download one of these tools. These tools are available on Google Play, on the iOS store. Some of them are called things like Intercept NG. And you can download them and have them on your phone and literally see all of the Wi-Fi traffic, every one that is not protected, using their phone connected to the Wi-Fi. And you see through sniffing programs or through man-in-the-middle attacks or through sidejacking, you see everything on that phone, including you see app passwords. So if you have your Chase password already programmed into your Chase banking account, that is now publicly available. If you are logging into your corporate email or like, that is those passwords are being able to be seen. Anchorfree's Wi-Fi security product is a simple app download that, as I mentioned, has dual branding, and that we would sell based on the business model that you like, but we tend to like a business model with very little risk for either one of us. So our typical business model with carriers is, let's do a revenue share of 50% and 50%. You take 50%, we take 50%. What we do is we encrypt from the app to the Wi-Fi or 3G or 4G, all of the data traffic that goes in that direction. And by encrypting that, we are now providing a secure channel so that Wi-Fi sidejacking, sniffing, and man-in-the-middle attacks can't happen. It's a very simple approach. We think that there is a lot of opportunity for you to protect your customers, and we strongly suggest that you really investigate. I'll end with a quick story. In China, one of the world's largest carriers, CTOs, told me that somewhere between 10 and 20% of his subscribers had their identity compromised through Wi-Fi sniffing. This carrier has 750 million subscribers, and so somewhere between 7.5 and 15 million of their subscribers had their identity lifted, had it stolen. Our product can prevent that. Working with you, the carrier, we think we can create a great product that lifts your ARPU, but also protects your customer, and that's really the most important thing we both can do. Thanks.